learn about our topic number 54, menu description of C. So let's move forward. Menu description of C language. So in the previous video, we have talked about the precedence order of operators. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the menu descriptions of C language, that how the C language, we can say the C language, the software of the C language and its menu that I am going to describe now. Okay, so let's look at. So this is the C, or we can say the DOS box. Okay, so in here we can see that you are seeing here the menus like file, edit, search, run, compile, debug, project, options, windows, help. So this all menu is going to help you in several other factors, like if you wanted to open a new file, then you can use the file menu option. If you wanted to some edit, means if you wanted to change your text, you can use the edit property. If you wanted to search anything in your program, you can use the search property, search menu word, you can say menu items. And if you wanted to run your program, you will use run command. If you wanted to compile your program, you will use compile program. If you wanted to debug your program, you will use debug program. There are also the project menu options, which allows you to open a project of C language, and options which contains other options which is going to help you in C language, and windows and help also. So help is going to use all the commands that you were using in the C language. So whatever the commands that is in C language is going to define in the help. Okay, so these we can say are the menus that is going to help to make your program great. Means it is going to help you in making the program. Okay, so we will use this concept to implement in our programming. Okay, so this is the menu description of C. Okay, now let's look at the file menu. So here is the file menu, and you are seeing here in the file, you are seeing the sub menus here. New is used to open a new file, open is used to open a file which is existing file, and its shortcut is F3. Save is used to save the file, and its shortcut is F2. Save as, save all, change directory, print, DOS cell, and quit, and its shortcut is Alt X. Quit shortcut is Alt X. So if you press Alt X, then Turbo C is going to be closed. Okay, so this is what I can say the menu option, file menu option. And you have seen in file there are so many sub menus which is going to help you in building your program and related to it. Okay, now look at the edit menu. So in edit you can undo the things, and its shortcut is Alt plus backspace. You can redo also the things, and its shortcut is Shift plus Alt plus backspace. You can cut the things, and its shortcut is Shift plus del. You can copy the things, and its shortcut is Control plus insert. You can also paste the thing, and its shortcut is Shift plus insert. Okay. You can clear the things, and its shortcut is Control plus delete. Copy example and show clipboards. So these all are the sub menus, we can say, of the edit menu options, which is going to help you in making your program. Okay. Now look at the search menu option. In search menu you will find the find, replace, search again, go to line, previous error, next error, and locate look function. So these all are the sub menu of the search menu options, and this is also really going to help you in creating the program, and its use is to search for the text. Okay, and next one is the run menu. It is very important menu. If you wanna, suppose you have written all the codes, in C language, and if I hide this option, then how you will run your code? So this menu help you to run your program, means you can execute your program through the run menu by clicking on the Control plus F9 or clicking here on the run. And there are so many sub menus in the run menu. These are run, program reset, go to cursor, trace into, step forward, and arguments. So mainly I can say this is very important because run is going to execute your code, okay, in C language. Then after that we will learn about the compile menu. So here is the compile menu. Compile means that your code is going to be checked by your teacher. Means whatever the code you have written in C language, that is going to be checked by the compiler, and compiler behaves like a teacher. It checks your program line by line. If it is correct, then it will give you the message that your program is correct, means there is no error, and if your code has some error, then it will show the error also. So this is like a teacher of your program. So here the shortcut is Alt plus F9, which is used to compile. Then make, link, build all information and remove options are there in the sub menu of compile menu option. And the next I am going to see about the debug menu. In debug you are seeing that there are so many options, okay, some sub options we can say. This is the menu and this is the sub menu of debug. So these are insect, its shortcut is Alt plus F4, evaluate or modify, its shortcut is Alt plus F4, that is Control plus F4, call stack, its shortcut is Control plus F3, watches, toggle breakpoints has the shortcut key Control plus F8, and breakpoints. So its work is to debug the program. Okay, finally, moving on the project, and this is very important menu given under the Turbo C. Okay, so in project menu you are seeing so many options of some menu. These are open projects. So whatever the project you have created in the C program, you can use this property to open your project. Okay. You can also use the property of close project to close your project, add item, delete item, local options, and include files. So this is going to help you to build the program so that you can use these all properties which you are making in the C language. Okay, now moving on the next property, we can say the next menu option, that is the options menu, and their sub menus are applications, compiler, transform, make, linker, librarians, debuggers, directories, environment, and save. So this is all the sub menu that is under the option menus. Okay. Now moving on the next menu, that is the window. So windows of, we can say, C program, that what the size you wanted to use for your windows. Your windows means your Turbo C software. So you can use the size or move property with the shortcut key, that is Control plus F5 here. Zoom property with the shortcut you can say F5. Tile, cascade, next, close all, message, output, watch, user, screen, register, project notes, list all. So these all are the sub menu in the window menu option. So this is also really going to help you for doing, we can say, for resizing the software, for resizing the Turbo C, for zooming the Turbo C, for tiling the Turbo C, for cascading, for next, for close, and for close all, message, output, watch, user defined, register, project notes, and list. So these all are the sub menu which is defined under the Windows, and you can use these properties. Now moving on the last menu option, that is the help menu, and in that if you wanted to see that the syntax which you have written, you can see here, that is hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include graphics.h. So if you wanted to see that these things exist really in C language, then with the help of help you can see this. So you need to go on the content, either you need to go on the index topic search. So you can also use this property to search the topic like header files in C language. So whatever you have learned so far, you will get all things here in the help option. You will know about the C language, you will know about the header file and each and everything about the C language with the help of help option, and the sub menu contained in it. These are contents, index, topic search, previous topics, help on help and about. So this menu is going to help you whatever the related topics you wanted to see in C language. You can use the properties of the help, so which is used to show table of the content for online helps. So this was all about the menu description of the C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.